read all the books. I got no substitute for reading all the books. Mr. Schultz got me started on this discipline back when I was 25 years old. Started me on my library for success. I've now got one of the better libraries. If you were to walk in my library today, here's what you would say. This is the library of a serious student. That's what you would say. Now, when people walk in your library from now on, here's what I want them to be able to say. This is the library of a serious student. Schultz taught me to keep journals. Here's what he said, good phrase to take home. Don't trust your memory. Bonnie talked about that this morning. Don't trust your memory. Jot it all down. I'm trying to get kids hooked like me. Be a buyer of empty books. Kids find it interesting. I'd buy an empty book with nothing in it. Especially at my station in life. What did I pay for this one? $26. Kids find that really interesting. I'd pay $26 for an empty book. Kids say, why would you do that? And I said, to prompt me to go searching and looking till I find something worth $26 to put in here. Now, all of my journals are private. But if you happen to get a hold of one of my journals, you would not look very far and read this stuff until you would say, hey, this is worth a lot more than $26. No wonder Mr. Rohn's healthy. Look at his journals. No wonder he gets to travel around the world. Look at his library. No wonder she's a strong mother. Look at her journals. No wonder she's got the answers for her family. Look at her library. No wonder she's got it together. No wonder he's powerful. No wonder he's rich. Look at his journals. Look at his library. This is where it all starts. I'm asking you to do that. You got to read the books. You got to have a library. Now, I haven't read everything in my library, but I feel smarter just walking in it. At least I was smart enough to buy it all. Now I got to be smart enough, right, to follow through. Make sure I get it read, studied, practice, sort through it, make my own decisions on what's valuable, and go do it so that my enterprises for the future will take on more value, more structure, more equities. My health, my life, my future, my relationship with my family, all the rest will improve and change. I'm asking you, here's a key phrase. Be a serious student. Develop your library.